Hey neighbor, it's Ryan from Hippie Witch Heart. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 3, 2. I actually don't know what day it is. It's Vlogmas. We're gonna edit that because I forgot how to speak. Thank you so much. Hey neighbor, it's Ryan from Hippie Witch Heart. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. If you've missed the first 2 videos, I guess we're on 3 now, they're here for you. Editing Ryan will figure that out. Also, this is the 3rd video that I've been filming for Vlogmas, and the only thing I've noticed that editing Ryan and filming Ryan are 2 entirely different people, and they don't like each other. So enjoy the editing notes sprinkled throughout the video. If you've been watching the other 2 that we've been doing so far, you know we're going to start with our beverage from Water Drops. This flavor is Blueberry Microlight. What the fuck did that mean? Blueberry flavor with other natural flavors. Sugar-free, low-calorie, vegan, 5 electrolytes, 9 vitamins, and zinc. Sure. Product of Germany. Let's find out what this one tastes like. As per usual, there's the reference code thingy that they gave me in the comments. Non-spawn. I paid for this. Oh, this one's way more powdery than the other ones. And slightly fizzy. Alright. We're going to give that a few minutes while we play with the next thing. Big advent calendar. Yesterday I got a candle. I don't know what's in day 2. It's a little smaller and shakier. This is fun. I don't know if you guys are advent calendar people, but I'm having a great time opening this. I've also never done an advent calendar that I can remember. I say that I can remember because my mom's probably going to text me and be like, you did this when you were 4. I don't remember, Deborah. I don't. Anyway, here we go. Ooh. That's fun. This one is the coconut pineapple flavor packet. Sweet. This didn't come in the big kit that we got, but this one, coconut, pineapple, and mango, sugar-free, vitamin C, vitamin B3, vitamin B6. I will be taking this to work tomorrow, because that sounds delicious to me. That's today's advent calendar. Get one for yourself if you want one. Is anybody else an advent calendar person? Do you guys do them? Like, is it just me that likes them? Or do you all skip this part of the video? It's okay if you skip this part of the video. I wouldn't blame you. Now for the part that I know you're all excited for. 2 things. 1, we have new lights. They came in today. I will maybe, if editing Ryan feels like it, we'll put in what the new ones look like. If not, you can find them on Instagram. I've been sharing Instagram and TikTok. I definitely shared a story of me playing with the new lights, and it may or may not have some fun Austin content in there for you as well. There's an Irish accent involved, so that's what the handle is. Have fun. I feel like a real YouTuber now because I have the lights, we've got the tripod that this is on, and I've got my camera. They're all going to be linked in the description for anybody that wants them. These lights were actually recommended to us by Carrie from Couture Candle Company. Love her. I also have a fun announcement that I'm probably going to share in either tomorrow or Monday. I don't know. One of these days coming up, a fun announcement of something that I may or may not have done with her, and I have more videos to share. She's recently shared them on her channel. Go watch them if you haven't. They're really, really funny, and I adored hanging out with her and blending candles. So if that's something else that you're interested in, that's a really good video to go look at. And she's really good at what she does with her candles. We basically exclusively use her candles in our house. Thanks, Carrie. But yeah, she texted me that these lights were on sale on Amazon for Black Friday, and they came in today, and I can see it's Merkel. I look like a whole different person in soft lighting. I understand why the YouTube girlies do this. With that, I ordered what I'm gonna assume is the world's most nonchalant. Enjoy that terrible ASMR. As we talked about in yesterday's video, one of the patterns that I want to make with all the fun yarn that I bought is a Tunisian pattern, and I didn't have Tunisian hooks. So I went to look at the hooks that TL Yarn crafts, because she is responsible for all of my addiction with nice things in the crochet world. She recommended, and when I realized I didn't want to pay that much for them, I bought the next best thing on Amazon, which is why these look like a toddler's. Also, they gave me the option to either do clear, which I'm guessing is this, the clear ones like this, sorry, makeup girlies, like this, or the fun colored ones, and I'm a toddler, so obviously I did the fun colors. I don't remember how long they are, because this doesn't have a paper in it. or rules or anything.
Or game pieces. What the hell, eBay?
And then it came with a whole stack of the... Can't open things. Help me. It came with the regular ones as well, that are just like the normal long ones for flat stitching. But the Rancher Shaw, photo, editing Ryan, make it happen. And this is going to be used to make those wider. That wasn't English. Last video I couldn't read or speak. This video I can't speak or think. God. I'm a great human being. These are for like flat ones. These are for like scarves and stuff if you want to make something wider. So I got this to start, and once I learn how to do things better with these, then I'll probably invest in a nicer kit. I know that Tony recommends the Sorella kit, but that was like $180, and we're not there yet. So Tunisian. Now on to the part that everybody is waiting for. This is one of the yarns that came in today. Enjoy me struggle for a minute. Huzzah! This one is from... Is this Aquapony? I'm pretty sure this one's Aquapony. Is there a card in here? Sure is. This is Aquapony Designs on Etsy. I bought 3 of them because I want to have enough to do things, and I hope that they actually look really... Oh, they're so cool looking. This is the photo of what they're supposed to look like, and this is what they came out... Oh! It also came with a soap. I don't... Alright. Yeah, that was another thing. This YouTuber... Etsy, not YouTube. This maker had soaps and other notions in their shop, which is slightly odd to me because I'm not interested in that. I saw the really bright yarn and I want that. But I'll give you feedback on how the soap is. This one is called Neon Sweets, and it has, like... Makeup girlies, help me. It's got like candies and stuff. Yeah, I can take the thank you off. So that's really cute. That's a nice little bonus to come with this. Also, I love soap. It does not say what it's made of, though. It just has their Etsy store and then their regular store. And they apparently live in Kyle, Texas. Cool. But this is the bundle. Look at those colors. So this, again, is what it's supposed to look like according to the photo, and this is what it looks like in real life. Where's my phone? Let me also look at the photo while I'm doing this. I'm gonna scoot in. So in the photo of them, they've got definitely more like pinks in this orangey one. It looks more like pink hues. This one is more yellow with bright orange hues, and then this one is more of like deep purples in the pinks, and it doesn't really read that way on camera. But I'm not mad. Like, this is gonna be a really fun, obnoxiously neon scarf or something. And I've got 3 of them so that I can make something. So in the yardage total of what I bought so far, we'll put down here.
Why are we doing math on Christmas, bitch?
Because these ones are 87 yards per hank, which is this little guy, for those that don't understand. They're very soft. Like, super impressed with how soft these are. The quality feels really good, but they definitely have that, like, if you can you see it on the... They've got, like, the little halo from all the fuzz from it, but that's probably because these are superwash and they're wool. They're going to be so warm and comfortable and bright colors, and I'm excited. This was a great purchase. Thoughts? Anything you want to add? I'm getting a thumbs up from the boyfriend. Oh, there was a stitch marker in there? Okay, well that wasn't clearly labeled. So I just launched it across my room. Cool. I love when I get notions for free. And apparently soap. Aquapony living up to its name. Okay, so that's the first of the yarns that have shown up for our crazy Yarnmas, which brings our total yardage to whatever is on the screen. Editing Ryan, you can fight me later. Now let's do a fun little yarn tutorial. As promised, I need a yarn to use. Oh, I didn't think that through. I don't really feel like doing a yarn tutorial, actually. Oh, flavor. The blueberry electrolytes are very cloudy, actually. But they're so blue. That's actually a really pretty color in this bottle, too. This is the second day of blueberry-related things. It's not bad. It's really sweet. Like, I'm kind of impressed with how sweet it is. Yeah, 0 sugars. What are they using to make it sweet? Oh, it has like actual blueberry powder. Stevia. Stevia is the sweetener. Yeah, this is really sweet. It doesn't taste like a regular electrolyte. Like, I use... What do I use? Drip? Drop? Ultra? I don't remember what it's called. Want to guess how off I was? I was really off. This is called Ultima. That lives in my lunchbox, and that's what I use for electrolytes. And that one's kind of sweeter and actually like tastes like an electrolyte thing. Plus like Gatorade or Liquid IV. It's like I couldn't remember what they were called. This one is it's just sweet and very blueberry. It tastes like when you're a kid and you make Gatorade. Your mom won't let you have a second one, so you just fill the cup up with water to get like what's left. That's kind of how it is, so it's the very light water taste with the slight blueberry, but it's got a really sweet aftertaste. I don't hate it. I don't know if I would buy it, but I certainly don't hate it. Anyway, I'm going to finish drinking this. I'm going to edit some of this video before I have to go to bed, and then I'm going to get up and go to work, because I have to be at work at 7:30 tomorrow, and it is currently 10 o'clock. So, good night. Thank you for coming. Subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.